Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rupal Agarwal, Chief Strategy Officer at YRC, a retail and e-commerce management consulting company. And today we're going to discuss 7 steps to start a supermarket business. Starting your own supermarket, whether offline or online, as a single store or as a part of larger retail chain, requires careful planning and strategic execution. In today's guide, we'll walk you through 7 steps necessary to successfully launch and operate a supermarket business. Number 1, designing a comprehensive business model. The first step is to develop a solid business model, which includes calculating the capital investment, estimating the operating costs, determining the break-even sales, calculating the ROI, and creating sales projections at least for the next 3 years. This will provide you with a clear understanding of your budget for marketing, rental expenses, and other operating costs. A well-structured business model serves as a foundation for financial planning and growth trajectory of your supermarket. Number 2, finalizing the product categories. The next crucial step is determining the product categories that will be offered in your supermarket. Whether you are operating a small store with limited offerings or a large retail supermarket with thousands of products, it's essential to finalize the categories based on the factors such as location, customer demand, product margins, and available space. Understanding these variables will allow you to curate a product assortment that resonates with your target market, enhancing profitability and meeting specific needs for your customer base. Number 3, layout planning. For those considering an offline supermarket, designing the store layout is key to optimizing the customer experience. It also helps in operational efficiency and security. Key considerations should include the positioning of the entry, the exit, the flow of goods, the flow of people, the optimal arrangement of shelves, racks based on the product categories. Additionally, a well-designed layout can minimize the opportunities for theft and enhance overall security within the store. For online supermarkets, layout planning focuses on warehouse operations. The warehouse should be designed to optimize the flow of goods from receiving and storing the inventory to picking, packing, shipping orders, etc. Efficiently designed racks, shelving, and storage areas are crucial for managing high volumes of products. Ensure that the warehouse layout is easy to navigate, minimizes turnaround time, and supports scalable growth as your e-commerce business expands. Number 4, establishing an organization structure. A clear organization structure is essential to ensure smooth operations. Define the number of employees required, their respective job roles and responsibilities, and reporting structures. The structure should also outline key positions such as store manager, inventory supervisors, and customer service representatives, along with their daily, weekly, monthly reporting expectations. A well-organized team is essential to maintain efficient operations and ensuring that each aspect of the business is managed effectively. Number 5, developing SOPs, that is standard operating procedures. They are the backbone of your operational consistency and quality. In an online supermarket, you'll need to create detailed SOPs for every stage of the order management cycle, right from receiving the order to processing to fulfillment to last mile delivery. For an offline supermarket, SOPs should cover store operations including inventory management, customer service, cash counter, etc. Both online and offline supermarkets should have SOPs for critical departments such as purchase, sales, marketing, inventory management, HR, housekeeping, maintenance, and security. These procedures help ensure that all the employees from senior management to the frontline staff understand their responsibilities and the standards expected in their roles. Number 6, software analysis and recommendation. To streamline operations and ensure that supermarket runs efficiently, selecting the right software tool is essential. Conduct a thorough analysis of available software solutions that can support various aspects of your supermarket, such as inventory management, sales tracking, CRM, e-commerce platforms for online supermarkets. Choosing the right software aligns your business goals, budgets, and operational needs. Integrating the right software can enhance data accuracy, improve customer experience, and optimize inventory order management. The last but not the least, recruitment and training. Ensuring that all the employees are effectively trained on SOPs. Recruitment should focus on hiring individuals with relevant retail experience, including store managers, sales executives, inventory managers, customer service staff, and e-commerce specialists. Once hired, thorough training is essential to ensure that each team member understands the procedures and expectations of their role. Regular SOP training sessions will help maintain consistency in operations, improve employee performance, and ensure your business runs smoothly. By following these 7 steps, you can effectively launch and scale your supermarket, whether online or offline. The key to success lies in thorough planning, a customer-focused approach, and continuous optimization of every department. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Thank you and keep watching.